What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel, you guys. Thank you for tuning in once again. I got 2 new pickups, you guys. I got a bunch of other stuff coming in real soon. I haven't posted in a couple weeks, but I got a lot of videos coming out real soon. But let's get right into it. I'm actually giving away this first sneaker, you guys. So here we go. It is the Jordan 1 Marina Blue. Check it out, you guys. You guys know I love to give back on the channel. You got 2 extra laces and you got stock blue laces on here. Here's the blue bottoms for you right here. This is a pretty solid colorway, very wearable. It's not, you know, it's not something that I really need because I have the Royals. To do a little comparison, here's the Royals, here's these, and I mean, black and blue, but I like the color blocking on the Royals because the toe is blue, and then on here it's black, and the leather is a lot better on the Royals as well. But nevertheless, I'm giving away these Marina Blues, you guys. I really appreciate the support up until today. I'm gonna post a picture right here, put up a picture on the screen right here of an IG post, and you guys just go to that post, comment, 3 friends, tag 3 friends, like the post, and you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel, of course. So yeah, for everybody out there that's rocking with me, you guys are gonna eat as well, so you guys already know. And for this next shoe, you guys, I got a really good deal for the sneaker on Soul Steals. So shout out to Soul Steals. They're always hooking it up, always under market value. Let's get this open really quick. I'm not keeping you guys waiting. And I haven't had this shoe on the channel yet. Very excited to have this shoe. I had the highs previously, but I sold the highs. But here's the shoe right here, you guys. You guys probably know just by the case right here, by the plastic casing. Let's pop this baby off right here, and it is the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low, you guys. Check it out right here. Very, very, very clean sneaker in my opinion. Looks like it came from StockX before it came from Soul Steals, but 3 extra laces, cream laces, which are probably like look really good on here. And you know, you got your Nike Air branding in the back. You got on the back here, you got the Cactus Jack face, Cactus Jack on the back right here. And then on the other one, of course, you got the Fragment logo right there. And if you guys didn't know already, I got the OG frags right here. OG frag right there. Travis frag right here. Oh, this one's got the lightning bolt. But yeah, very, very sick shoe in my opinion, you guys. I sold the highs because I have these Trav highs, and I really like this colorway. And I didn't see myself wearing the other Trav frag highs, so maybe I'll get it back in the collection one of these days. But the lows are a lot cleaner in my opinion, a lot cleaner, with the black toe box in the front here, like this right here. This is black, and on the highs it's white. So yeah, cream swoosh, cream laces, cream tongue. The cream on here is sick. Like the whole colorway is sick. But really, really excited to have this sneaker in the collection, you guys. And yeah, that's it for the video, you guys. I got a shoe coming from GOAT. I got one coming from StockX. I got 3 sneakers coming from Tradeblock. I think I got 1 more coming from Soul Steals. So a lot of recent pickups, you guys. So stay tuned. I'm going to be uploading a new video for every time I get a shipment in. I normally would save everything at once and unbox like one big sneaker haul, but I need to pump out some videos, so I'm gonna, you know, split those up into different videos. So long story short, you guys, really excited to have these, really excited to give back again. So if you guys are trying to get some free sneakers, check out the giveaway. And yeah, that's it. I really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch this. And hopefully I'll see you guys real soon, because like I said, I got a bunch of other stuff coming in. So thank you very much. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.